Hi everyone, I just recorded this video to for you to know what you need to prioritize on teamwork. Alright, so you wouldn't have to watch all of the videos provided on dashboard. You might get confused. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do before at least 5 minutes before your shift is input the task on your time doctor coming from your teamwork, and then start the time here, and then after you're starting the time here, go back to your teamwork dashboard, and then for a specific task, click on the icon, this icon, which will give you an option to log time. It's saying log more time because I was able to finish this task a while ago. I'm just restarting again because I have to record a video for this specific topic. So what would I really suggest you to do is click on the start timer instead of log time. The reason why, it's because the dashboard is on Eastern time, so that Megan and Dustin will not get confused. Alright, so let's prevent them from getting confused. So just click on the start timer, and if you are done with the specific task, just click on, or if you want to take a break, you have to go somewhere or drink water or get some food, you can just click this button to pause. And if you are done for a specific task, you can click this timer button. Okay? And it would ask you if you're sure you want to stop this timer and log the time as billable. Just click OK. And then this is the time spent, the total of the time you spent for the specific task. It is only showing 3 seconds because I was playing around with it while trying to record the video. And then for the description, just be detailed. Make sure you put in any details that you need us to know about that particular task. The description that I'll be putting here, it's only showing 3 seconds. It's because I used it for, it's because I had to use this particular task for recording of it. Okay, and then don't forget to tick the box billable and mark this task as complete. Alright, and then save time log, and it would look like this. It will be crossed out and there will be a green mark on the left side of your name for that particular task. Alright, thank you.